What's going on, guys? It's David from Motor-Speed here. Happy hump day. We got a quick little review of two black beauties from the old school days. We got the BMW 2008 K1200S. Super gorgeous bike. This is a sport touring bike. 1157 cc's. This is a Hayabusa competitor right here. Very athletic, yet muscular. Gorgeous, fast bike. It's got the Remus exhaust over here. Single-sided swing arm. BMW really knows how to make a mean machine. It's got low miles, only 36,000. Start her up. Remus exhaust sounds excellent. She sounds really good. That exhaust is fabulous. We've had a couple here in stock. We had a silver 06 not long ago, but this black 08 just looks like something else. She is so gorgeous. Had to park her here right next to the Miata. We'll give you guys a quick tour of the Miata, the matching beauties here. This is a 1992 C-Spec 1.6 liter. On the original BBS wheels, we just got brand new tires for them. Brand new, all fours. Need to shine them up a little bit. They still got that factory kind of powdered look to them. The interior is fantastic. It's got the tan top with the glass rear window, which is super nice. This zips down so you can just have the top with that open. The interior is looking really good, especially if you zoom out a little bit. Beautiful top here. Again, BBS's, black paint. It's got the original wood grain. Only 141,000 miles on this guy. And she runs beautifully. Let me start her up as well. Nothing too crazy to hear, of course. It's just a Miata, all stock. But oh yeah. Welcome to Miata land. So this is actually funny because it's usually not this bad. When we got it, it didn't have any issues. And then it kind of started doing this a little bit, but very rare. And now sometimes we start it up, it does it pretty bad. We bought some spray, some belt conditioner. See now it, if I give it. Sounds good. Oh yeah. I may have spoke too soon. anyway, she runs great. We're getting some new speakers in the headrest here because they're kind of busted. And then I had a CarPlay, wireless CarPlay in SL500 98, and I'm getting a new one. So I ordered that. That's on the way. Got the headlights as well. The new headlights. Haters can hate, but I think they look cute. Cheap little mod to make it stand out a little bit. So, yeah, guys, these vehicles are both for sale here amongst many other vehicles that we have for sale: motorcycles, dirt bikes, cars, and trucks. So stop by, come check us out. Check out some of our other videos as well. We have really in-depth walkarounds. We're gonna do more reviews and hands-on projects, show you how we get things done around the shop. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Peace.